So we're doing a quick roasted parsnips. That's melted butter, a little bit of brown sugar and vanilla extract. And we're gonna add a little bit of ground nutmeg on top of this. Y'all wanna be light with this. And then we're gonna wrap it in the foil paper, seal it nice, and let the natural sweetness develop on its own. You already know. Chef life, best life. Yeah. Chef life, the best life. Lip smacking food keep you in the best of moods. We got that seasoned to the bone chicken. It's been marinating for 24 hours. You know, with all that lip smacking seasoning, good onions and pepper. We about to roast this thing just right at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Probably 45 minutes after we flip it, after the 30-minute marker. Make sure we get that skin on that breast extra crispy. We got 2 breasts and a leg up in here. Okay, here we go. Making this roasted chicken. We're gonna grease the pan, because you know, it's not a non-stick pan. Hit all 4 corners, a little light spray. And we already have our parchment paper cut out. We're gonna lay that down. And we're gonna grease the parchment paper so it doesn't stick right there. We got our seasoned chicken that's been marinating a while. Remove all them onions and stuff. Make sure that skin's out nice. Actually, yeah, right there. Nice chicken. Look at that. Seasoned to the bone. We'll skin side up. We're gonna flip that, and we're also gonna broil the skin to get it a little crispy at the end. Make sure you got your vegetables off the chicken, and get your chicken skin spread out all over. Chicken. Now, these vegetables, we're gonna just throw them in between. It's gonna help keep the chicken nice and moist. Not on the chicken, just around the chicken, next to the chicken, up against the chicken. All them flavors of that green bell pepper and that Spanish yellow onion. I'm actually gonna finish this off with a little bit of salt on top, and we're gonna put it in the oven. See, we got it at 405, just in case my oven temperature ain't proper. You know how it is with these house ovens, but you know, 405 is a good roasting temperature. 400 is a good roasting temperature. Look at this chicken. It already look packed with flavor that you gotta savor. Ooh. Huh? Don't recommend you do this unless you got chef hands or you quick with it. Ooh wee. Look at that. Now the test. You can do the fork test. There's also another test. The toothpick test. Ooh. Slide right in. Nice. Yeah. Chicken almost ready. About to flip it, and you know what to do when we come through. Ooh.